Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the aims and scope of forensic medicine. Many students feel a bit intimidated when they first hear the name of this subject, but in reality, it is logical, practical, and deeply connected to real-life situations. Forensic medicine is a branch of medical science where medical knowledge is applied to legal matters. A doctor's responsibility is not limited to treating patients. In many situations, a doctor must determine the cause of death, interpret the nature of injuries, and even appear in court as an expert witness. All these responsibilities fall under the domain of forensic medicine. If we talk about the aims of forensic medicine, the primary goal is the establishment of truth through scientific methods. When a person dies under suspicious or unnatural circumstances, it becomes essential to determine whether the death was natural, accidental, suicidal, or homicidal. Through post-mortem examination, doctors analyze the cause, time, and manner of death. Historically, the development of forensic science can be traced back to early works such as Xi Yuan Lu, one of the earliest known texts describing systematic approaches to death investigation. Modern forensic practice has evolved significantly from such foundations. Another important aim of forensic medicine is the examination and interpretation of injuries. By carefully studying wounds and trauma, a forensic expert can determine whether an injury was accidental or intentionally inflicted. The size, shape, depth, and location of injuries often provide crucial information about the type of weapon used and the circumstances surrounding the incident. In cases of sexual assault, proper medical examination and careful documentation of findings play a critical role in delivering justice. Forensic medicine also deals with cases of poisoning. When poisoning is suspected, medical professionals analyze biological samples to identify the type of poison and its effects on the body. This scientific analysis helps legal authorities understand whether the poisoning was accidental, suicidal, or homicidal. Now, if we consider the scope of forensic medicine, we realize how broad and significant this field truly is. In hospitals, many cases such as road traffic accidents, physical assaults, burns, and poisoning are classified as medico-legal cases. Doctors are required to prepare accurate and detailed reports because these documents may later be presented as evidence in court. Another major area within the scope of forensic medicine is post-mortem examination. Autopsy findings often serve as vital evidence in criminal investigations. Additionally, forensic experts may be called to provide testimony in court, where their professional opinion can strongly influence judicial decisions. In the modern era, forensic identification has advanced tremendously. DNA analysis has become a powerful tool in criminal investigations worldwide. The scientific basis of DNA fingerprinting was established by Alec Jeffreys, marking a revolutionary step in forensic science. Today, identification through DNA, fingerprints, and dental records has become a standard practice in many investigations. In conclusion, forensic medicine is not just an academic subject. It is a crucial bridge between medicine and law. Its aim is to uncover scientific truth, and its scope extends from death investigation and injury analysis to courtroom testimony and forensic identification. For MBBS students and medical professionals, understanding this subject is essential because at any point in their career, they may be required to handle medico-legal responsibilities.